Welcome back to Stirring Success, the EvenMix podcast, the show where we cut through the noise and get straight to what matters in industrial mixing. I'm your host, and today we're tackling a question that operators across agriculture, chemical processing, coatings, water treatment, polymers, and specialty manufacturing have been asking for years. Why does installing an IBC tote mixer feel like a construction project? We're talking forklifts, multiple operators, unnecessary downtime, and a whole lot of frustration. Heavy equipment to move heavy equipment. It's become the norm. But here's the thing. It was never supposed to be this way. Today, we're breaking down exactly why most IBC tote mixers require a forklift, what smart engineering actually looks like, and how EvenMix redefined the standard entirely. Stay with us. This one is going to change how you think about tote mixing from the ground up.
Let's start with the core problem, and it's one that facilities deal with every single day. Most traditional IBC tote mixers weigh anywhere from 30 to 50 pounds or more. That kind of weight doesn't just make installation inconvenient, it makes it genuinely risky without mechanical assistance. You need a forklift, you need a second operator, and suddenly what should be a quick, routine task becomes an event. Production slows, safety exposure increases, and the entire operation waits. That's not efficient, and it's certainly not engineered for modern production demands. So let's talk about what actually makes an IBC tote mixer easy to install, because it comes down to three engineering factors. Number one is weight. Number two is blade profile. Number three is mounting simplicity. When any one of those three factors is poorly engineered, installation becomes a bottleneck. When all three are dialed in, installation becomes routine. EvenMix built their systems specifically around these principles. The result? A mixer that weighs approximately 15 to 20 pounds, light enough for true single-operator handling without sacrificing an ounce of industrial durability. That's not a marketing claim, that's the product of intentional, intelligent engineering. Now here's where the conversation gets really interesting, and it has to do with one of the most common physical barriers in IBC tote operations, the 6-inch opening. Most standard IBC totes have a 6-inch top opening, and most fixed-blade mixers, they cannot pass through that opening without being partially disassembled first. That adds time, adds complexity, and frankly, adds the kind of frustration that erodes operator morale over a long shift. EvenMix solved this with their patented variable pitch folding blade system. Here's how it works. When the mixer is lifted for insertion, the blades collapse down into a narrow profile. The entire unit passes cleanly through a standard 6-inch port. Then once power is applied, the blades expand automatically. The variable pitch geometry kicks in, and multi-directional flow begins immediately. No blade removal, no special adapters, no disassembly at all. And here's the part that truly sets EvenMix apart from a pure engineering standpoint. The same feature that makes installation simple is the same feature that makes the mixing exceptional. That folding blade system isn't just a convenience, it's the key to what EvenMix calls true 3D mixing action. Let's break that down because it matters a lot for product quality. Traditional propeller-style tote mixers move material in one primary direction, vertical. That sounds fine on the surface, but vertical-only flow patterns create dead zones, corners of the tote where material stagnates, areas where solids settle or fluids don't fully homogenize. For industries where consistency is everything, we're talking chemical processing, fertilizer blending, polymer production, water treatment, those dead zones are a real quality problem. The EvenMix variable pitch folding blades generate both vertical circulation and horizontal flow simultaneously. The result is a true three-dimensional mixing pattern that eliminates dead zones, keeps solids in suspension, and accelerates full homogenization throughout the entire tote. Better mixing, less time per batch, more consistent product, every single time. Now let's talk about what all of this means for your operation in practical terms, because the benefits extend well beyond installation day. First, there's workplace safety. Eliminating forklift use during mixer installation removes a significant point of risk. Reducing the overall weight of the equipment reduces strain injuries. These aren't minor improvements. Over the course of a month or a year of tote changeovers, they add up to a measurably safer work environment. Second, there's production speed. Faster tote-to-tote transfers mean faster changeovers. Faster changeovers mean higher throughput. For high-volume operations running multiple batches per shift, this is a direct contribution to the bottom line. Third, there's operational flexibility. A mixer one person can carry and deploy is a mixer that can move wherever it's needed, without scheduling equipment or coordinating personnel. That kind of flexibility is invaluable in a dynamic production environment. Fourth, there's energy efficiency. The optimized blade geometry and multi-directional flow patterns mean the motor doesn't have to work as hard to achieve thorough mixing. Reduced amperage draw, lower operating costs, and consistent performance without pushing the system. And fifth, there's total cost of ownership. When you add up reduced labor requirements, lower energy consumption, less downtime between batches, and fewer workplace incidents, a smarter IBC tote mixer pays for itself in ways that go far beyond the purchase price. Let's address a question that comes up every time the topic of lightweight industrial mixers is raised. Does reducing the weight mean reducing the durability? The answer is an unequivocal no. Weight reduction achieved through smart design is not the same as weight reduction achieved by using inferior materials or cutting structural corners. EvenMix systems are engineered for demanding industrial environments. Agriculture and fertilizer blending, chemical processing, beverage and liquid food production, water and wastewater treatment, CBD and personal care manufacturing, polymer and resin production. These are not general applications. These are real-world industrial environments that demand performance. And EvenMix delivers it in a package that one person can carry. So when you're evaluating an IBC tote mixer, whether you're replacing aging equipment or specifying a system for a new line, here are the questions that should be driving that decision. Does it require a forklift? Can one operator install it safely and quickly? Does it eliminate dead zones in the mixing pattern? Does it reduce downtime between batches? Does it support the overall efficiency of your workflow? If the answers aren't all yes, there is room for improvement. And that's exactly the room that EvenMix was built to fill.
That's a wrap on today's episode of Stirring Success, the EvenMix podcast. If today's conversation resonated with you, if you're tired of treating mixer installation like a logistical challenge instead of a routine task, it's time to take a closer look at what EvenMix has built. One-person installation, patented folding blade technology, true 3D mixing performance, reduced energy demand, and American-made reliability you can count on shift after shift. Head over to evenmix.com to learn more, request a quote, or connect with the team directly. And if you found value in today's episode, share it with a colleague, leave us a review, and subscribe so you never miss what's coming next. Until then, keep mixing smarter, not harder. We'll see you next time.